Is this a shooting place?
It's a shooting gallery.
Oh, we need to do this.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
I think we're doing it.
Yeah, let's do it.
But wait, are you under 18, Michelle? Then you can't do
I
it.
look under 18, but no, I'm over 20.
Okay, not mentally, but
Let's do this.
wow. Suntory beer. Fanta fruit punch. I don't think we have that anymore.
Mellow yellow.
Oh. Here we have a payphone.
And it's only 10 yen. I don't think I remember how to use a payphone.
Look at this.
Look at that music.
Wow. Okay. Okay.
So you have to choose how many.
Corks.
Is that what they are? Corks?
Yeah, we're shooting corks.
So you get 5, 10, or 20.
Okay.
Think 5?
I think 5 each.
Okay, so
For,
10.
we'll see if we can win something.
Okay.
All right. Whoa.
We are gonna do this.
Okay.
Who's gonna get more?
Exactly. We'll see. Look at this. Okay, we need our corks.
Okay. すいません.
Corks. That's our ammunition. So you wanna
Well, how do you do this?
take the first shot?
Oh yeah.
We have the price is candy.
Okay. I want in the middle here.
Okay.
I like this gun.
Okay. You feel that one?
So how do I do this?
You pull that back
Okay.
and you stick the cork in the barrel. You just shove it into. Don't fire. We'll stick.
Stick this in here.
Yep.
Okay.
Like that. And
then pull it back?
you're already loaded, so it's just to fire. Aim and fire. Whoa, you hit
I
it.
hit it.
You hit it, but it wasn't knocked down. Okay.
Oh, you hit it, all right?
I don't know. Okay. Take the lightest one you can see.
Milky.
Milky, yeah.
Oh, I missed completely.
I'm gonna try milky again.
Or the 酸っぱいやつ. Wait. Okay.
Oh, milky. Whoa. Close.
Oh, yeah.
Booyah, that's how it's done.
Woohoo! Look at that. Good job, Nicholas.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey,
Good job.
the pressure is now on.
This one. No, the last one each. Last one each. Yeah, because that's a good.
Oh, no.
You completely missed.
Yeah, I'm a loser. All right.
Okay, that was
Time
it.
to collect our prize.
That's right.
Okay.
It's down here.
Down here.
And you just collect it. Look at that. Milky it is.
Wow, that was worth it.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Time to eat them.
Oh yeah. We'll save this for when the video is done. We'll get our reward. Okay. Now, What else do we have here? This is another souvenir type of shop with old stuff in it.
Like,
No, we'll go in and see. So these are lucky boxes. You don't know what's inside, basically.
These are-
You have to take your
they are
chance.
fukubukuro.
Right.
In Japanese, they're fukubukuro, and you choose one by the price.
And hope that you get something good.
Usually they have a list of things that might be in them.
Right.
Like how much? Like this one is 300 yen.
Really?
Yeah. Two boxes for 600, but one box for
Okay.
300. See?
300.
300 yen. But
Lucky box.
what is in it?
You can, if you're lucky, find a 50-inch 4K TV
That's right.
and the bicycle and the laptop. But something tells me
Most of them are not.
no. Oops, we are not allowed to film. Okay. You're saving your money for a haircut?
Yes.
Oh, that looks great. Look, you can be cool like this American singer. Yes.
Look, like this. Got a nice pompadour going on there.
Oh, wow. What?
That's another Gundam.
This is Gundam's daddy or granddaddy. Yeah.
Come on, Gundam.
Oh.
Nice little car.
Uh-huh. So this is old style games, like an old arcade.
And old style pachinko.
Yes.
Wow.
Play and enjoy. Music for the boyfriend.
Look at all of the pens. I used to collect pens.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, look at these. Original Super Mario Brothers.
This type. This is like from way back when.
Yeah. This is I don't know exactly when, but this is like beginning of the 80s, right?
Or earlier, right? I don't know. This I don't recognize. All of those posters on the wall.
Shoe Hunter. Wow. That is so cool. Rock and Rouge.
So incredible.
Right. Wow. Look at this. This is before before computer games. This is just
Drive it.
yeah, the wheels are turning on the little car as you spin the wheel.
It goes, and this moves, right? The background moves, right?
Yes.
Excellent. And this is
Not sure.
the frog is going to start flying.
Kero kero
Kiddo.
takkun.
Here's the basketball one. Fight ball.
Huh. Wow.
Oh, you have to get the bottle
Get the bottle.
out.
Okay.
You have to hook that ring around and somehow make it come up.
That looks difficult.
It does. These, what, you win a one of the little capsule toys.
Right. Rockin' Bang Bang.
Rocket Bum Bum. Now those are always my favorite. So
Yeah.
what can you do them? I think the car.
The car is interesting. You. Oh, this is the pirate.
Yeah, you have to keep
the barrel.
sticking knife
Uh-huh.
in until he pops up.
Until it pops up. You wanna whack something. I get the feeling.
Okay, but
Or you want to drive? Okay. Are you ready to prove that you can drive in Japan?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. 100 yen for one play.
Okay.
Yep, go for it. Oh. Very nice.
Gotta have rhythm.
Okay.
Which side do I drive on?
Good question. Just drive in the middle of the road. Nice. You're up to 200 points.
Really?
Yes.
Because I got rhythm.
You are doing very well. I'm not sure how he counts the points, but you didn't make it all the
I
way.
did not make it to the top.
You didn't make it to the top, but you were so close.
I didn't get to
So
maybe
there
Mount
is,
Fuji.
it does count points somehow. You want to wrestle a sumo, arm wrestle a sumo wrestler,
That would be fun.
or play some old-fashioned pinball?
I love pinball.
Okay,
Just excellent stuff.
let's keep on walking.